Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of EURUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, I'm in my native place and yes, God has listened to my prayer and I got good net connectivity here. As a result of which, I'm back with a chart of Euro Dollar. So my dear friends, as you can see that EURUSD is in sideways right now. We discuss about the structural change on the chart of euro dollar and the anticipation, okay, of the CPI. As we all know that this week the best or the biggest event is CPI that is coming on Thursday, as a result of which high chance that market may remain sideways or choppy till CPI. Before a big event like NFP, CPI, FOMC, market prefers to stay silent. Market does not show much volatility. And the chart of euro dollar was in downtrend. You can see the market was forming lower lows and lower highs. But if we just focus on the present trend of euro dollar, we can see that market is no longer downtrend and market is showing a sideways. Okay, if you look at the chart of dollar index, then yes, the dollar index is the important levels are still very much same. 103 to 103.25 is the resistance at the top, and today and tomorrow, where we don't have any news, there's a high chance that market will remain within this range only. In case market shows few red candles, then we can expect 101.50 to 60 and 101.20 to provide support to the market. So till Thursday, I'm hoping, or I'm quite hopeful that DXY will remain like this only, because fundamentals provide a direction to the market and fundamental is coming on Thursday. As a result, market is waiting for the instruction. Okay, so high chance that if market goes up also the resistance will work, and if market shows downside also the support should work because of the choppy nature of the market. Now let's talk about euro dollar. On the chart of euro USD also, the major levels have not changed. If you're a day trader, listen to me carefully. If you're a day trader looking for some intraday or day trading opportunities, I'm sad to say, but you do not have any proper level on the chart of euro USD right now. As a trader, you need to understand one thing very well, that market changes from time to time. Okay, and as a trader, you also need to be very much flexible. Maybe you are madly in love with euro USD, but that doesn't mean that euro USD also loves you. Jokes apart, this is not a day trader's chart right now. If you get the trade at proper levels and if you see that market is behaving to expectation, then that's a different chapter. But otherwise, this is not a day trader's chart right now. Never forget, as a trader, it is your responsibility to protect your capital. You should be loyal towards making money, not towards any particular currency pair. So the levels are still very much same. If market goes up before CPI, then the best or the strongest resistance is around 1.1150, where we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level. Along with that, we also have previous resistance around this area. So 1.1150 is the best resistance on the chart of euro USD. Before 1.1150, we have 1.1090 to 1.1100. This is the immediate resistance on the chart of euro USD because of FIBO 50% retracement level. So these are the two resistances. If market hits and reverses, you can look for a sell. I'm on 4 hours time frame right now. 4 hours is a slow time frame. You can simply move to a 15 minutes time frame or 1 hour time frame. Just observe the market. If you see market is struggling around the area, prices reversing, prices showing a rejection from above, you will get a confirmation that yes, sellers are present and you can go for a sell. Before these levels, we also have some weak resistance. We have a weak resistance around 1.1050, around this area where we have previous resistance. Here also you can expect some selling if market goes up, but keep in mind volatility of the market will play a dominant role here. You have heard me talking about volatility, okay, plenty of times, and volatility is very important. because volatility decides whether a level will work or not. If market goes up with high volatility, high buying power, then obviously 1.1050 doesn't have the strength to reverse the market. If market goes up with high volatility, who has the strength? 1.1150. This, you cannot compare the selling power of these sellers and these sellers. The seller present around 1.1150 is much stronger in comparison to the 1.1050. So if the volatility of the market is low, okay, if you see the market is going up with small candles, then you can expect this resistance to work. If you see the market is showing a shooting star pattern, bearish engulfing pattern, you can look for a sell around this area. So this is a minor resistance, okay. And as the market is showing a sideways nature, then obviously the support that we discussed in our previous videos are still very much same. 1.0920 to 1.0905. This is the support on the chart of euro dollar right now, because we can see that market is no longer forming lower lows and market is also no longer forming lower highs. So 1.0920, 1.0905 should work before CPI. If you see market going down, observe the market around this area. If you see market taking support, market is showing price rejection from below, hit the buy button with proper risk management. In case you see that market is standing at support with a big red candle, okay, then obviously you need to use your common sense. Trading and common sense go side by side, okay. If you see the market is standing at support with a big red candle, obviously the selling pressure is high. In that case, you don't need to look for buy here. In that case, your next support will be around 1.0880 to 1.0840. These are the support levels on the chart of Euro USD if market shows volatility. As I've already told you guys in the previous videos, that our Hindi channel is back again. You can subscribe to our Hindi channel for regular market analysis before the US session. अगर आपको हिंदी आता है, अगर आपको regular analysis चाहिए US session से पहले, तो आप subscribe कर सकते हैं. Not only you will get market analysis and trading updates, you will also get to learn many things, because हम लोग यहाँ पे लर्निंग कंटेंट्स भी ला रहे हैं. अभियंका का स्कूल ऑफ फाइनेंस को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन पे जरूर मिलेगा, ठीक है. तो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज माय एनालिसिस ऑन यूरो यूएसडी. आई कैन बी रॉन्ग एज वेल. आफ्टर 100% accuracy is not possible, so please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard earned money. Trading, okay, is very okay very lucrative. I know it very well, but yes, having realistic expectation from the market is also very important. Do not chase the market, okay, let the price come to you. This is the best quote for Euro USD right now. Bye bye, take care.